Scorpio, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Current energy check-in para sa month of May 2024. Ginawa natin ang reading na to sa ganap na 10:20 p.m. at May 31, 2024. Remember, Scorpio, na ito ay isang collective reading at if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next time. Okay, Scorpio? And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers natin, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Alright? So, Scorpio, isa-shuffle ko lang muna ulit yung mga cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Hi Scorpio, so simulan na natin ang inyong May 2024 Tagalog reading at 10:21 p.m. I-cut lang natin sila ulit ng 3 times para sa Scorpio Collective. Alright, ready na kayo Scorpio? So at position 1 Scorpio, first time nag-appear tong card na to. Inner light, mga keyword muna Scorpio. And then trust. Okay? And then, wow. First time din lumabas to. Parang parehas naman ng colors to, no? Medyo may pagka-purplish and white. Medyo malalim siya. Separation eh. Parang separation kind of thing yan. Mamaya, talakayin natin. And then, ito bago rin, Scorpio. No? Ang daming barahang bago na lumabas sa inyo na hindi nag-appear pa sa mga past readings na ginawa this month. True healing. Pinagdadaanan ba tayo, Scorpio? Ayan, bago na naman. Love and fear. May fear din na lumabas doon, no? At position 6, ito lumabas na to. Unapologetic. Okay, and at the center, Scorpio, first time, make owl. Consciousness. Alright, so simulan na natin, no? Napaka-interesting ng mga cards na to. Maraming bago. First card, release position. When I focus on my inner light, Scorpio, I see the world through the lens of love. Okay, so ang inner light mo, yung inner self mo, doon ka dapat muna magsimula. Huwag mong i-focus yung attention mo right now sa kung ano nangyayari, ng mga distraction and noise around you sa external. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Kung ano yung something good na meron ka at this point in time, doon ka mag-focus. And use that positive traits mo, positive energy mo, yung something that's really good sa'yo na ikaw nakakaalam. Yan, inner light na yan. Yung inner state of being mo na maganda. It will change yung parang the way you see yung surroundings mo. Okay? Yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga situations sa paligid mo. Kasi you will start to see them through the lens of love. Okay? So, shift ang focus within you sa kung anong maganda sa'yo. And yung magandang trait na yan, no, ang makakatulong para you will see things from the perspective of love rather than parang mga negative feelings. Okay? Now, yung kailangan mo na maipagpatuloy, no, Scorpio, trust the direction of the universe and know that you are being guided. So, basahin ko lang, I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. So, malakas naman ang faith mo sa iyong creator, sa iyong belief core being mo, no? Sa pananampalataya mo, whatever is your religion or belief system, malakas ang ano mo doon, ang faith mo. It's unwavering, no? Unshakable. Okay, you always no? I always trust the direction of the universe or your creator, God, Jesus, Allah, Ganesh, Buddha, whatever your belief system is, you know that you are being aided ng higher being. Okay, na nandun sila lagi para sa'yo. Okay? So, mataas ang napakalakas ng spiritual, level natin, no? Attuned ka, you're very spiritual and religious. Okay? Now, sa manifestation position, ang sabi, attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation or are merely calls for help. So sa manifestations mo, no, if you ever felt like parang may fear ka, takot ka, no, may fear-based mentality, may pain sa within you, or you're being attacked by circumstances or people, or judged, no, or you are being separated or isolated. If ever you feel like in your manifestation, ito yung mga feelings na yon, no. For your manifestation, you might be needing some assistance or merely calls for help. Okay? So, if you need someone to help you how to manifest in the right way, no? Kasi if you want to manifest something, you have to believe sa kung ano yung pinapaniwalaan natin. At yun ang mangyayari kasi. So, kung ang what's within you, yung mga you felt attacked, you felt judged, you felt you're being separated, isolated, you felt pain and fear, you cannot manifest on that level. Okay? So, you need someone to help you to get out dun sa mga energies na yan. Okay? So, I suggest, learn first to, may ways to, you need to transform muna yung new you. Okay? Every day is a chance for a change. Kung ano ka last minute or last hour is not you anymore. Kasi mabilis magbago. Mabilis magbago ang tao. I'm sure hindi ako yung same person a month ago. Ganun yun, guys. Okay? Mabilis magbago. For some reason, mararamdaman mo yung surge na parang you want to change something within you. Yun ang sasabi dito. Kung gusto mo mag-manifest, you need to change something within you. If you need help, and then, ang daming ways to help. If there are people na hindi ka matulungan, ang dami sa YouTube na mga guides, no, mga manifestation techniques, okay, that I will recommend you to watch, and it will help you, no, na ma-let go yan at kapag manifest tayo ng mga maayos, kasi feeling ko may mga blockages. Okay, it's more like an advice para sa Scorpio. Okay, just whatever resonates. Then at position 4, Scorpio, na yung external energy mo through healing. So I felt like talaga kailangan mo mag-heal, no? In order for you to manifest something, kailangan mo mag-heal kasi may mga negative fear-based mentality. You felt painful pa, you felt judged, you felt that you're being pushed away, or you're always being attacked by these people. There must be a reason. So you need to heal. At sinabi dito, Scorpio, through healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. So, external energies mo, there will be a moment where, alam mo yun, you have to go through the bad before things can get better. Okay, ganun yung energy dito. And it's meant para kasi makapag-heal ka. And kailangan mo i-acknowledge yung mga feelings na yan. That's the first step. And then overcome them. Okay? Ano yung mga nakaka-trigger sa'yo para maramdaman mo yung mga, to feel whatever it is na dapat mong maramdaman, no? Itong mga triggers na to. Okay? And you need, if it's not live with the trigger, live below the trigger is parang i-encourage mo pa, bakit nati-trigger ka? What's the main reason? So, kailangan mo mag-dive deep sa root cause niyan. Okay? And then, acknowledge and then overcome it. Okay? Yung external energy mo. It's quite challenging for you ngayong May, I guess. And on to the next 3 to 6 months, more like an advice. Okay? Moving forward, Scorpio. Now, dun sa kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo, ang sabi, I recognize that I have chosen fear. Kasi merong nangyari in the past where ngayon parang you were fearful in the past, okay? So, na-recognize mo yon na in the past, you were fearful, you have worries, you have anxiety, no? You have doubts for some reason. Maybe self-esteem din ang baba, no? But, ang sabi dito, and I choose again, I choose love. Pero, kahit takot ka, maybe it's also fear na takot tayo sa relationship, takot tayo magmahal, takot tayo sa commitment, takot tayo na ma-abandon tayo ng mga tao. Marami tayong mga excess baggages in the past, but alam mo yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo, give yourself a chance to be loved and to love. Okay? Yun. You always choose love. Kung there are this parang pain, fear, kang nararamdaman, judgments from other people in the past, and separation, issues, no, or abandonment issue, banish, wala na yan dapat. Okay? Always choose love. Okay? Move forward. Choose love. Kung someone mag-express ng interest about love, relationship, or family express their love and concern, embrace it. Scorpio, embrace it. Okay? Now, at position 6 Scorpio, ang sabi dito, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. So, sa new beginnings mo, na-let go mo na yung mga fear mo, no? Or yung pagda-down mo sa sarili mo. Kasi parang, hindi ka yun eh. It's just something that you think you believe. So, what you believe is what will manifest. Kahit hindi ka talaga yun, you have the power to reinvent yourself, di ba? So, I felt like sa new beginning mo, kailangan mo i-reinvent yung sarili mo. And yun, you will be unapologetic about what you desire. Because ikaw ang creator ng reality mo. Okay? Own your new beginnings. No? You owe it to yourself. Okay? Not because you owe it to anyone else or sa past situations or for who you are, kung sino kasi in the past. No. You should be unapologetic about what you desire this time. Sa mga new beginnings mo to. And trust na kung magfo-focus ka sa bagay na gusto mong simulan ng bago, it will grow. Maninurture mo yan. Okay? Wala nang self-doubt. Wala nang fear. Okay? Walang fear. You have to be unapologetic, Scorpio. Yan ang sinasabi dito. Sa gusto mo. Okay? Claim it. Right? Invent yourself. Magkaroon ka ng bagong concept about yourself, Scorpio. Alright? And at the center, Scorpio, ang lesson na dapat mong matutunan or you have yet to learn, ang sabi dito, I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. Okay, so moving forward, okay, you need to learn to get closer to your creator, whatever your belief system is. Work on it. Okay, do whatever it takes na mas mapalapit ka sa mga higher learnings, no? Kasi alam mo naman dito, no, you are being guided by higher beings, no? And you're trying to see things na through the lens of love. Like I said, gamitin mo yung strength mo to see things in a positive way pa rin. And do whatever it takes para mapalapit ka at mas marami kang matutunan when it comes to consciousness, kasi is the way we operate, how we operate yung ating mind. Yung conscious mind and subconscious mind natin. And that you will learn to release yung mga pain and fears and judgment na binigay nila sa'yo. Okay? So, Scorpio, napakaganda ng reading na to. Dama ko lang. No? And, I hope it resonates with you. Otherwise, kung di nag-resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. See you again on your next month reading, Scorpio. Take care. God bless. And mahal ko kayo. Natapos ang reading na to sa ganap na 10:33 p.m. at May 31. Okay? And maaring mag-resonate on to the next 3 to 6 months from May. Bye!